Bigyang diin ng lead counsel na si Attorney Nicholas Kaufman na karapatan ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte na mapalaya habang iniimbestigahan pa ang kaso. Hindi naman daw kasi siya magiging banta kahit mapalaya muna.
The first of which is the risk of flight, the second of which is the risk of interference of witnesses with the evidence, and a third of which is the risk of continuing crimes. None of those factors exist in the present situation, so there is a right for Mr. Duterte to be released.
Hindi man masabi kung kailan ihahain, tinatrabaho na raw nila ang paghiling para sa interim release. Sabi pa ni Kaufman, kukumbinsihin nila ang pre-trial chamber judges na walang jurisdiksyon ng ICC sa kaso dahil naging epektibo na ang withdrawal ng Pilipinas sa ICC bago pa masimula ng investigasyon.
There is a compelling argument that the court cannot exercise its jurisdiction over the Philippine situation. That is a live issue. It's an issue which has been through the Philippines courts. It's an issue that's been through the ICC as well. It is a compelling argument. It's a